Hey everyone, if you need to update the email address linked to your NordVPN account, the process is actually very straightforward. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to submit an email change request step by step. And if you're thinking about renewing or upgrading your plan, there's a link in the description that gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. So be sure to check that out. First, open the official NordVPN email change request form. This is the only secure and supported way to update the email on your account. Next, enter the email address you're currently using for your NordVPN account. This helps the support team verify your identity. You'll also see an option to add a separate contact email. This part is optional, but it can be useful if you want support to reach you at a different address while the change is being processed. After that, you'll need to fill out the payment section. NordVPN asks for details from one of your past purchases, excluding your most recent one. Simply enter the amount you paid, the payment method, and the date of that older transaction. Now type in the new email address you want to use going forward. This update will also apply to NordLocker and NordPass, keeping all your services synced under the same email. You'll then see a question asking whether you use NordLocker or NordPass. Just confirm this so support knows how to apply the change across all services. If you'd like, you can add a short note with any additional details support should know. To help speed things up, you can also attach a screenshot or photo of an older payment receipt. Again, not the most recent one. Once everything is filled out, click Submit. NordVPN's support team usually responds within about 24 hours, and they'll contact you through your current registered email or the contact email you provided. And that's it. Your email change request is complete. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 extra months added to your plan.